हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, स्टेनो स्टार या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपल्या सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे. इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनिट. प्यारा. द अनाउन्समेंट ऑफ द पार्टिशन ऑफ बेंगाल अनलिश अ सर्च ऑफ नॅशनलिझम अँड रिकाइंडेड द बेंगाली एंटरप्रेन्युअल स्पिरिट. मेंबर्स ऑफ द टागोर फॅमिली including Rabindranath, Satish Chandra Mukherjee's Don Society and many others were regularly organizing Swadeshi fairs, setting up shops to sell Swadeshi goods. Rabindranath Swadeshi Bhandar in 1897, Jogesh Chandra Chaudhary's Indian Stores in 1901, Sarla Devi Lakshmir Bhandar in 1903, and working for the revival of the traditional crafts. Pyara. Landlords and professionals came together to found the short-lived Bengal National Bank. Kolkata also saw a spate of insurance ventures, especially the National Insurance Company and the famous Hindustan Cooperative Insurance. Para. British dominance of the shipping lines was a matter of deep discontent, especially in riverine East Bengal. Despite the collapse of Jyotirindranath's venture, Swadeshi Days saw renewed interest in launching shipping ventures, but they were unable to withstand brutal war unleashed by the English shipping lines, whereas many as 20 Indian shipping companies failed between 1905 and 1930. Para. Bengal leading landlords, businessmen and political leaders came together to launch the most high-profile Swadeshi venture, Banga Lakshmi Cotton Mill. 2 years later, Mohini Mohan Chakravarti landlords and retired deputy magistrate launched a smaller Mohini Mill in East Bengal. Both did well and successfully challenged the monopoly of the only British cotton mill in Bengal. The biggest beneficiary of the boycott of Manchester cloths turned out to be Bombay and Ahmedabad, where 39 mills came up between 1904 and 1910 to cater to Swadeshi demands. Para. The real achievement of the Bengali Swadeshi entrepreneurs was to venture into new industries based on their technical knowledge, manufacturing a number of household products, key medicines and basic acids. P.C. Wright's Bengal Chemical show the way. This example was followed by Calcutta Chemicals and a number of manufacturers of Ayurvedic and allopathic drugs, cosmetics and chemical products. Chrome tanning, National Tannery, Utkal Tannery, production of Gates Potteries, Calcutta and Bengal Potteries, electric lamp, Bengal lamp, safety matches, Oriental and Vande Mataram match factories, and a number of consumer items attract their interest, giving expression to the new nationalist sentiments. Anand Bazar and Jagantar emerge as two successful media companies. Para. Most of this venture ended in failure. They were built on the limited finance on petty landlords and the savings of professionals. They had the technical knowledge, but not always the business acumen to deal with supply bottlenecks or distribution challenges. They were often more focused on developing technical knowledge, replacing foreign goods, and contributing to nation building. An archetype of a Swadeshi entrepreneur was someone like Dr. Nilratan Sarkar, one of the most renowned doctors of Calcutta. स्टॉप. असेच नवनवीन डिक्टेशन मिळवण्यासाठी आमच्या स्टेनो स्टार या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि आमच्या टेलिग्राम ग्रुपला जॉईन होण्यासाठी डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये लिंक दिलेली आहे. धन्यवाद.